Good afternoon, teachers. I want to take a couple of seconds to go over our agenda. I started to do that in the other video, and then I realized I really needed to spend a little bit of time talking about the real focus of the course, which is engaging in the capstone and the research project that we started a year ago. This week, what we're going to be doing in our learning objectives have to do with the section in our capstone project on data analysis, right? We're going to continue to read in the Ayers book. We're going to read the next chapter, chapter 3, I believe it is, Building a Republic of Many Voices, and answering the question, or reflecting on that as it relates to the capstone project we're working on. If we look at our learning activities, I'll place the video under number 1, and then the second section is to just revisit the information on the capstone rubric, which is at the top of Moodle, and which I've placed in a Google document, the part just about data analysis that we're going to look at this week. Now, when you're reviewing your peers' papers on this, you want to include looking at the rubric that's with the capstone project as well. So you're going to create a Word document. You're going to work on your data analysis. You're going to complete that this week and have it in a polished, like this is what I'm going to submit to Dr. Thomas at the end of this semester format. And then you're going to submit that using the thread below for your particular feedback group. You're going to do that by this Saturday. And you're going to pick a paper. Indicate that you've taken that paper to review, and you are going to give clear and detailed feedback to the person. See previous video or the other video, and you're going to do that by Tuesday, 7/1. You're going to read Chapter 3 in the Ayers book. Chapter 3 is entitled Building a Republic of Many Voices, and then write a 1 to 2 paragraph response. Be sure to note the requirements for this this part of the course in your syllabus under reflection assignment. And you're going to submit that using the link below here on Moodle by Monday at midnight. And then finally, going to complete your second peer feedback group check-in review. Okay, and this is where you let me know, hey, am I getting the kind of feedback? Is the person really putting the time in, and are they really making an effort to give me feedback to make my paper better? And there will be a grade based on, 1, you submitting this, but 2, based on you taking that time and really working, because that's the work part of this, is revising your paper, but also helping your peers to revise their paper, and that you're really just making sure that you are putting that work in this section. Okay, and then you just see the the links to where you're going to submit all your stuff down here. So hope everybody's doing well. Next week we'll have a week off where it'll just be time to kind of recharge your batteries, get caught up on making the edits that your peers have provided and their feedback, because it's going to be the 4th of July week, and so I know some of you will be traveling, and the university will be closed on the 4th, so we will have that week set aside for that. Hope everybody's doing well, and look forward to chatting with you next week. And just one last thing too. If you ever need to meet with me to discuss any aspect of that, I just met with one of your classmates on Teams this morning, talked on the phone with one of your classmates earlier this week. Don't ever hesitate to contact me and set up a time. My office hours aren't set. My office hours are open for when you need to meet with me. Okay? Again, everybody take care. Talk to you soon.